Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install PyCharm. So before you install PyCharm, you have to install Python. So let us start. First of all, go to your favorite browser and here write down google.com, and here you can write Python download, and you will see here that python.org website. Click on it, and we have here available right now latest Python 3.10.6. click here download, and it will take some time to download. You can see here it's downloading. Now the download has been completed. It's on desktop. Here you will see it's Python 3.10.6. double click on it and click here run. Now it's an installation window. Check this box, add Python 3.10 path. It will automatically add a path in environment variables. Here if you want to change the location of the installation folder, you can. Click here customize installation, and you will see here it's all are checked. Keep as it is and click next, and you will see it's for all, install for all users. Check this box and it shows that installation folder will be here in program files. Now click install and it will take some time to install. Now you can see the installation has been completed, and now we have to download and install PyCharm. And it's obvious that if you want to install PyCharm, you need to have to install Python. So let us start the second part, that's PyCharm. Click here close, click here browser and google.com, and now search here PyCharm download. Now you will see here jetbrains.com. click here. Here you can see the two downloads, professional and community. We need to install community. Click here download community Python development, and it's downloading here. It will take some time to install. Now click here minimize. Now the PyCharm has been already downloaded, but first of all we have to see Python is working correctly or not. Click here and click here idle Python. Here we can increase the font of this window. Click apply. OK. Here you can write some simple command, for example print, and bracket start, and here we will write down some testing and comma, and you can here enter. Now you can see here it's working correctly. Close here, and again we can see whether it's working or not in CMD. Write down here CMD, enter, and we can see the version of the Python, pyth Python, and hyphen version, enter. Yes, it shows the version, Python version 3.10.6. now it's fine. Now we can install PyCharm. Double click on it. Now you can see the installation window of PyCharm. Click here run. Now click here next. This will be the installation folder. Keep as it is. Now click here next. Now check these all boxes. This update path, it will be added in environment variable, and click here next. Click install. Now it will take some time to install. Now the installation of PyCharm has been completed. It will ask for reboot. I will reboot it later. Click here finish. Now open the PyCharm. Now click here I confirm and click continue. Click here don't send. and click here new project, and you can name it different. For example, I will write my first project and click here create. Now you can see here it's updating interpreter, Python interpreter. Now you can see it has already detected the Python 10.3.10 version. You can see here it's still scanning and downloading something. Now we can click here file, click here new, and choose a Python file and write down here, for example, test.py and enter. Now you can see the libraries here, Python libraries, and we can write down here some simple program, for example print and bracket start and inverted commas, write down here test1. We can run it by using this run command, run, and click here run, edit configuration, and you can here click run, and you can here see the output of print test1 is there. Now this is how you can download and install PyCharm on Windows 10 operating system. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.